guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my very last installment of my 2021 makeup declutter series. This is the third part to my lips. So I did a bullet lipstick, a lip gloss, and this one's gonna be like liquid lipsticks, lip liners, everything else, the random bits. I have a feeling I'm gonna get rid of a lot of these. Even just looking down at them, I'm like, yeah, I can get rid of a lot of these. So, except for lip liners. Let's go ahead and get started. So I think with lip liners, I actually think I'm gonna keep all of these. I don't feel like I have a ton of lip liners, and I actually use most of these like pretty frequently. The only one I don't use very often is this Chanel one, but it's Chanel. So because of that, I'm gonna keep it. But you know, I have my quintessential red. So I have Cherry by MAC. This is more of like an orange red, which is good for like more of the pumpkin spicy colors, which I'll show you here in a minute. I have my brick red. I have some berries. I have lots of nudes. But you know what? Actually, I am going to go ahead. Yeah, this NARS one I am going to get rid of, but I think it's the only one I'm going to get rid of. Belmar. It's old. Last time I used it, it was so hard to apply. So... but like I said, I don't think I have a ton of the rest of them, so I'm actually just gonna keep all of those. But this is one where we can definitely look at. I don't wear liquid lipstick like at all, you guys. Very rarely do I reach into the drawer to get a liquid lipstick. So there's some other random bits thrown in here that we can kind of go through as we get to them. But like this little teeny, I'm gonna get rid of it. It's I don't even know what brand it is. Guerlain maybe, but it's red. I'm not gonna wear that, so I will get rid of that. This KVD Underage Red, getting rid of that. Okay. These Bare Minerals ones are really, really old. They're supposed to smell like candy corn. They definitely do not smell. That one actually kind of smells like candy corn still. Swag and Juju. You know what? These actually, I really liked these because they're not your typical drying liquid lipstick. They are like a whipped formula and they feel super comfortable on your lips. So you know what? I might actually keep these. I was getting ready to just toss those out. They still smell good. This one's like not as good. Juju. Swag smells really good still. It smells just like candy corn. Yeah, I'm gonna keep Swag. All right, one more sniff test. I'm gonna get rid of it. It just like, it kind of smells rotten. So we're gonna get rid of that. What is this one? Lauren Conrad. I got this in a beauty box not too long ago. It's a lip gloss. I have some lip glosses thrown in here. I might get rid of this. I don't know. I'm just looking at it and I'm not excited by it. So get rid of that. This Charlotte Tilbury I got in a mystery box, and the color is just not something I typically would wear. It's like a beige nude. I don't think it would look very flattering on me, so I actually might try to sell that on like Poshmark. Getting rid of the Kylie. I don't like the Kylie liquid lipsticks. I have a couple of them. So we'll get rid of those. These Jeffree Star. So I have Mannequin. I'm going to get rid of Leo. I actually might keep Mannequin. I'm going to get rid of this one though, Santa Baby. I think the formula of his products goes bad pretty quickly. Here's another one. What is this? Christmas Cookie. Ugh, they smell so chemically too. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of those. I might keep Mannequin. That one doesn't smell bad. So put that up in the maybe section. Is this a lip gloss? Ooh, this is a pretty lip gloss. Peony? It looks a lot like Fussy by Fenty, which is right here. I mean, yeah, they're like dupes for each other. I'm going to keep both of them though, because I actually like that color a lot. So there's that. These Ofra, it's like a lip treatment trio. No, there's 4 of them, so quad. I never ever reach for these, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that. Oh, here's my Pat McGrath lip gloss. I kind of forgot where I had placed it, so found it. Smells really delicious. This is actually fairly new. I'm gonna keep this, and it's a lip gloss, not a liquid lipstick. So you can tell I already don't have a lot of liquid lipsticks. Dose of Color, Stone. Gonna get rid of that. I can't even remember the last time I reached for that. These gingerbread I love. So I have Gingerbread Man, Gingerbread Girl. I like those a lot. I like this one too, the peppermint, nope, candy cane. Like that one. I actually like the color of all of these. I don't love this one. I might get rid of this one. Let me just smell it. Oh, it smells really good. Oh my God, that smells really good. Holy cow, it smells like caramel. What is it supposed to be, a hot buttered rum? Yeah, that's, smells like hot buttered rum. This is really pretty. You know, yeah, I'm gonna keep all the Too Faced. I like these peach puffs, actually. They're not really liquid lipsticks, but close enough. These Marc Jacobs, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of. One of them I got at TJ Maxx, and I just probably shouldn't have bought it in the first place. This one I bought a long time ago. Yeah, it kind of smells weird now, so get rid of those. I think this YSL I'm gonna get rid of. It still smells okay, but it's like a bright pink. Is this the one that's a bright? Yeah, I could tell just by looking at the wand. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that. This Clarins lip oil, I can't remember the last time I reached for that or that. This Artist Couture I just recently got in a beauty box, and it smells so good. It smells really good. Jeez Louise. I think it's a lip oil, but you know what? I can't see myself reaching for this really, so I'm gonna get rid of that. I like this Lancome Juicy Shaker a lot. It's just a really pretty color. So, can I even open it? Oh, there we go. Ooh. It's like crystallized. Weird. Well, I'm glad I opened that, and it's like gooey. Okay, yeah, I think this went bad somehow. I'm gonna get rid of that. Buxom, what is this? Dolly. This is fairly new as well. I had a White Russian somewhere. It must be in a purse. Oh, I love these. They smell like vanilla mint. So good. Okay, well that was pretty fast. These are lip scrubs, and I probably should put these in the bathroom because I always forget to use them where they are. But I have a couple from Lush. I have one from Jeffree Star. This is strawberry. I've actually used it quite a bit, as you can see. This is my Fresh Rose Lip Cream. Love this. This NARS Chelsea Girls. They discontinued this a long time ago. It's probably gone bad by now. And looking at it, it has like bubbles in it. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of it. This is still on the box. I think is it a lip? Oh yeah, it's a lip scrub by Fresh. I am going to keep it. I didn't realize it was in this drawer. See, these scrubs need to go in the bathroom. Oh, it smells good. It smells like caramel and citrus together. Okay. Well, I knew that was going to be quick. Pretty easy to figure out what I was going to get rid of there. So I'm keeping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm not really going to count these. Those just need to go in the bathroom. Oh, this one, 15. So I'm keeping 15 items from this drawer, and I'm getting rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 24. So I'm getting rid of more than I'm keeping. I guess I should probably count the lip. If I added the lip liners, I'd be keeping more than I'm getting rid of, but I'm pretty proud of that. I know myself well enough now to know I probably should never buy liquid lipsticks again. It's just not something that I reach for. I feel like they just don't work well for me. So that's it, you guys. That is my 2021 declutter series. Whew. It is amazing. Like, the weight I feel is just lifted off my shoulders getting rid of so much makeup. I try to be super selective with what I purchase now. nowadays especially. But doing something like this really, really opens your eyes to like what you already have and what you definitely don't need. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed watching this declutter series. If you want to catch up on previous videos, then I will link the playlist down below for you guys. But that is it. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.